Okay, so this is where the boat leaves from, aka JK Shuffles Rocks the Boat 2018, choreographed for our first cruise. So high beginner, low improver level. Big top up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock and step. Rock and step. Mambo step back, left, pop up. Rock and touch, touch, touch. Mambo step, touch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, back, 7 and 8. Rock 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Rock and step. Rock and touch.
There's a perfectly good island somewhere. Well, alright, the coach, so don't grab your coat. You won't need it where we are going. Get away to where the boat is from. Takes away a look at big problems. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean. But you gotta get away to where the boat is from. Take me out,
Yeah.
take me out, take me out. Put me down, down in the sandwich. Put me down.
Know what's coming. Put me down. Here it comes. Mambo step and here we go. Rock, replace. A rock, replace. A step, turn, step, turn. Rock, replace. A rock, replace. Rock forward, replace, sway. Right, left, walk right. Left, then start again with rock and step. Oh yeah.
A lovely big problems. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean. But you gotta get away to where the boat leaves from. So get away to where the boat leaves from. It takes away a lovely big problems. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean. But you gotta get away to where the boat leaves from. So get away